Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am really excited because we are unboxing and reviewing the Rapoo MT760L Wireless Mouse. Let's get right into it. So here is the box of the Rapoo MT760L. The packaging looks very premium and professional. On the front, we can see a high quality image of the mouse along with the model name. On the sides, there are some highlights about the key feature like multi-mode connectivity and the 4000 dpi sensor. On the back, we have more details, specification and a quick overview in multiple languages. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. Opening up the box, the first thing we see the mouse itself, fairly protected in a plastic tray to avoid any scratch during the shipping. The mouse feels so solid just by holding it for the first time. I noticed another small box inside the package. Let's open it and see what's inside. Here we have the USB-C charging cable, which is braided for extra durability. The quality feels really solid. This isn't a cheap cable. It's a proper high quality USB to Type-C cable. It also quite long, so even if you are charging the mouse while using it, you won't face any problem with short length or awkward positioning. That means you can comfortably keep working without feeling like the cable is getting in your way. And yes, Rapoo also includes an extra receiver inside the box, which is a really nice touch in case you misplace the first one. The 2.4 GHz USB receiver is very small and portable. You actually get one stored inside the mouse itself in a dedicated magnetic slot, so you won't lose it when traveling. And so that's everything inside the box, and here we have the Rapoo MT760L mouse. Taking a first look at the mouse, it feels very solid in the hand. The build quality is excellent and it was a nice matte finish that gives it a premium touch. The design is ergonomic, which means it should feel comfortable even during long hours of use. And one details I really like, it was a aluminum alloy scroll wheel, which not only looks stylish but also feels premium and durable compared to regular plastic wheels. And that's it for today's unboxing of the Rapoo MT760L wireless mouse. I will be testing this mouse in details and bringing you a full review very soon. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends who might be interested. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.